Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Now the continued part of the mensuration is solid shapes. So solid shapes, the three-dimensional shapes which occupy some space are called solid shapes. So for example of solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, and sphere, etc. So how to calculate the surface area of solid shapes? If we draw the net of the solid shape, then we can see its all the faces clearly, and if we add the area of all the faces, then we get the total surface area of that solid shape. The unit of surface area is square unit. The unit of total surface area, the unit of total surface area is square unit. Then lateral surface area or curved surface area. So if we leave the top and bottom faces of the solid shape, then the area of the rest of the figure is the lateral surface area of the shape. The unit of lateral surface area is also square unit. Then surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder is, so now name of the figure, so figure LSA, then TSA. So name of the figure is cube. So figure this is a figure of cube. So LSA, so formula for lateral surface area 4L square, it is measured in square units. Then total surface area is 6L square. Then cuboid. So lateral surface area of cuboid is 2H into bracket L plus B. TSA 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL or LH. So now the cylinder. So LSA, to calculate the LSA of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. Then it's a TSA 2 pi R square plus 2 pi RH. So we take the common 2 pi R into bracket R plus H. So here R is the radius, H is the height. Now how to calculate total surface area of the cuboid? So this is the cuboid. So this is the top, so this is the bottom, this is the left, this is the right, then this is the front, this is the back. So top of the cuboid is 5th one, bottom is 6th one. So front 1, left 2, back 3, right 4. So TSA of cuboid cuboid. To calculate the TSA of cuboid is L into H, the area of first one, second, area of second, plus area of third, plus area of fourth one, area of fifth one, area of sixth. So area of 1, so L into H plus B into H. This is B into H. So L into H, B into H, L into H plus B into H. So H ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ H LH into BH plus L into H or LH plus BH into fifth one is L into B plus sixth one L into P. So LH 2LH plus BH 2BH plus LB into LB 2LB. So taking common as 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So this is LH or HL, same. So HL. Square units. How to find lateral surface area of cuboid? LSA of cuboid. So we leave the top and bottom. Four faces. We take as the 4 faces. So area of 1, area of 2, area of 3 and area of 4. So first one is L into H, area of first one, plus area of second one B into H, third one L into H, so fourth one B into H. So L into H LH, B into H BH, LH plus BH plus LH, so plus BH. So LH plus LH 2LH, so 2BH. So taking as a common 2, so LH plus BH. So again, so here H and H are the common, again 2H into bracket L plus B square units. Now the TSA of cube. So a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called as a cube. So example for the cube is ice cubes, sugar cubes, dice, etc. So all the sides are equal. We calculate total surface area of cube is 6L square. Angle 6L square ಬರ್ತದೆ. So 6 faces means 6L square. So L into L, the first face is L into L square. So 6 times 6L square. Then LSA of cube. So we leave the top and bottom. So lateral surface area of cube is 4L square. Both are measured in square units.